All right, welcome everyone. So this is, I think, the fifth part of our e-commerce building e-commerce project. So in this course, this is going to be a short one because we are going to focus on our cart functionality with Redux. And the project overview, you already know the project overview if you have joined the previous crash courses. This is a e-commerce project. The project is called TechSupportU. And it is a comprehensive e-commerce platform designed to provide customers with a seamless shopping experience. I'm sure you know all of this. And the key features are products. We have already designed our homepage, and there we designed our products, different sections of products. Or we also designed our product details page. So today we are focusing on how a user can add some products to their cart. And we also have categories. We have already covered the categories section. We are going to cover the campaigns next. And in this course, we are covering our add to cart functionality. And then we have our order functionality left and our order tracking. And the tech stack we are using is Next.js and React, our front-end framework. And for state management, we are using Redux Toolkit with React Redux, which is we are going to explore today. And for UI libraries, we are using nDesign, and we initially planned to use Bootstrap, but we are not using Bootstrap anymore. We are just using SASS. For HTTP client, we are using Axios, and for utility libraries, we are using JS cookie to set up cookies. We haven't used it yet. We'll use it when we come to authentication. And for styling, we have SASS, media handling, React Zoom slider, and swiper. Okay. And just for today's agenda, we are going to cover Redux Toolkit, our local storage, and our Redux persist and cart management. Okay. So I think we have covered the local storage and session storage, and also cookies, how they work. So I'll go over them once again. So the lifespan is the local storage has a permanent lifespan. That means until you remove it with your code or you manually remove it from your browser, your local storage is permanent. And your session storage is session based. That means and when you close the tab, whatever is in your session storage will be cleared. And cookies, the cookies has a limited space, but you can set up the expiration date of your cookies. And the storage size for local storage and session storage is the same. It is 5 to 10 megabytes. And for cookies, we have 4 KB per cookie. Accessibility, we can access our local storage and session storage with JavaScript and client side. And with cookies, we cannot really access it in the client side with JavaScript, but we can access it when we are making API calls, and also we can access it in our backend. And data sent with HTTP, no, for local storage, for social storage and local storage, we do not send any data with our HTTP. And cookies are actually automatically sent. If you allow the credentials, then cookies are automatically sent to your server with each API request. And use cases are local storage for long-term data storage. That means the users, maybe websites, theme settings, maybe some other settings. And for session storage is temporary session-based data, maybe your a form data, a multi-page form data or something. And cookies are mostly used for storing authentication tokens, refresh tokens, and tracking.